Following this video guide will help you to understand the danger of pop-up alerts that are coming from the website desktopdefendersurveys.com. Desktopdefendersurveys.com is a faulty alert that claims that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. However, this information displayed by desktopdefendersurveys.com is totally faulty and deceptive. Its main mission is to scare you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software or even some decent software, but we still condemn such illegal methods that are related to the online scam. Plus, DesktopDefenderSurveys.com tried to force you into subscribing to their web push notifications by making you click on the Allow button. Now, if the Allow button was mistakenly clicked, you need to immediately implement some fixes of your browser. Go to the menu, click on Settings, then scroll down to the special area called Privacy and Security. Click on Site Settings, then in Permissions choose Notifications, and pay attention to the Allow area to delete any junk sites that you find here in this list. So be sure to remove all these malicious sites that cause numerous pop-up ads that you see here in the right bottom part. Once you get rid of them all, the problem should be completely fixed. Finally, I recommend you to carefully research your computer. Additionally, with Combo Cleaner, you may go to the official page combocleaner.com, then download the software and start examining your device to be convinced that there are no any other threats. And even if there are any threats found, Combo Cleaner will help you to remove them effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, this is the way it looks like. There are 3 scan types available: Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The premium version is required if you would like to fully enjoy the feature called anti-malware and anti-ransomware. So you'll only be able to activate these 2 important features, these 2 important security mechanisms, with the premium version of the program. Anti-malware scanner, it helps potential infections in the early stages. So that's the way to get your computer fully protected against all possible threats, infections, viruses, and other types of malware. Anti-ransomware feature, once it is enabled, protects your files from being encrypted. By the way, you may add a special folder where you will store all your important documentation that will be duly protected by the Combo Cleaner antivirus. So after you select your preferred scanned type, click on Start Scan, and the program will begin the checkup and the analysis of your computer. Not only will it detect problems related to threats like malware, ransomware, or viruses, it will also help you to fix and recover your browser from unwanted ads, redirections, intrusive push notifications, and other types of intrusive adware. So, after the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give you the report about the threats and their exact location on your computer. The good thing is that Combo Cleaner antivirus helped us to protect our computer and our important documentation from being encrypted by the ransomware. Therefore, use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fully protected against all sorts of contemporary threats. And you may find the link to download the program in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.